Hi everybody, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation. Happy Thanksgiving. And today I'm sharing VR. This VR is for Diane. Anna loves colors. And it's hashtag Build a Church. It's a card making challenge. And it ends on 11/30/23. And she's asking for you to make cards, and these are the cards that I'm going to send to her. These are the cards I made for, and all my cards that I make are blank, and she asked for you to put your name of your YouTube channel on there. I got that one, and you got to have envelopes, and she asked if you have the sleeves to go to it, but I didn't have any of the plastic sleeves. I made that one. Then I made this one. It's the same one. And they're all blank cards, so the person would have to write the note on the inside. And this one here was made with the Cricut. And that one has an envelope too. And I made another one, and it's got my name on the back. And these are all blank cards. You have to write your message on the inside. And all of them comes with an envelope. And I made this one here. This is a pop-up card. And it says, "Be blessed." And I got Handmade with Love by Judy's Handmade Creations. I love these pop-up cards. That one's going to her. And I got this one here that I did with my We Are Memory. It's at FOIL. It's a full writing pen. And I use a stencil to do this. And it says, "I can do all things through him who gives me strength." And that's the Bible verse down there. And it's all my cards are blank, like I said. And I always stamp them with either this or Judy's Handmade Creation. And that one's got an envelope. And I make all my envelopes with the We Are Memory envelope punch board, but the only thing is you have to put tape or something to or glue to close it up when they put their envelope in it. I mean their card. And I made this one here. This is a thank you card, and I cut this out with my Cricut. The butterfly, and then I stamped and I made it an easel card, and it sets up like that, and it says thank you. Isn't that pretty? This is one of my favorite cards to make, the easel card. And all of them's coming with an envelope, since she's going to be selling them in the church. And here's a thank you card. All I did is stamp thank you on here and use some pattern paper. And the card sizes are it's got a piece of tape on it. The card sizes are 4 1/4 this way and 5 1/2 this way. And all the cards, like I said, are blank. You have to write your own note in there. And it's Judy's Handmade Creations. I stamped it on the back with that. Now I gotta put the envelope with that one. All of them's got envelopes. And this is a like a sunflower card I made. And I just punched out all the petals and just glued them together. and a stamp. Just wanted to say hello. I know, just wanted to say. And then you can write your note on the inside. And I made an envelope for this one. All the envelopes are handmade. So these are all the cards that I'm going to send her. Let me see how many I got. That's one card. Two. Three. Four. Five. 6. 7. 8. 9. And I'll put this one like in a sandwich baggie. Maybe I can do all of them like that and just put a piece of tape on the back, like I did that card. I think I'll just put them in them kind of bags so they won't get wet while they're going through the mail. I'm just going to use these sandwich bags and just put them all in there. So in case they do get wet, the envelope gets wet, the cards won't get messed up. So that's a good idea. And all of them's got to have a, let's see if this will work. Yeah, that'll work. That way it will protect them through the mail. I'm going to push them least way down at the end. But yeah, that'll work. Because yesterday it was raining here and all my mail got wet. And I don't want that to happen to these cards. I like that one. Yep, you don't want that to happen to your cards that you're making. And just, you ain't got them plastic sleeves that they use, put them in one of these here, that'll work too. Yeah. That way to keep them from getting wet in the mail. So that's what I'm sending Diana Loves Colors. And if you want to join in, you still have until November 30th, 23 to make your cards. And this is all the money that she gets from all these cards will go to building her church fund. And that's such a good fundraiser. And a lot of the churches need to be rebuilt, and that's really good, and I hope that you can join in. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye-bye.